So if you're wondering, because I would be if I was looking at a girl that looked like Who, What, When, Where, Why lives in and on her head, I'm doing this mask because it's necessary. It's part of my regimen, and I had an IG video up for it, but I didn't like it, so I'm redoing it, and hopefully it turns out good this time. So we're making this mask right here using this bad boy right here, and I do this mask once a month or twice a month. This is my second time this month, but I've been doing it since January, and baby, my hair loves it. Also, before we get started, we're gonna play a game. I have a lot of pet plants and they all have beautiful names. This is Terrence right here. He's, you know, he really wanted to be in the shot, so I let him today. But count how many videos and leave a comment below on how many different plants you saw. First, we're gonna begin with the Aztec Indian Healing Clay. And I've been using this for the past 8 months now, and honestly my hair growth, my moisture, all of it is amazing. And to be honest, I am just eyeballing the measurements because I've been using it for so long. I know how much I want in it, and I also know the consistency that I want. I use grapeseed oil, again eyeballing, and avocado oil, and then I'm gonna mix it, and I'm going to add some more powder and some more oil later, but I don't necessarily show it. But you're trying to get it to a mixture that is perfect consistency for your hair. I like for mine to be more of a paste-like, which you'll see. Now this is too soupy for me, so I'm gonna add a little bit more clay. Next is the apple cider vinegar, and I'm only going to add 2 spoonfuls of that because I just don't really need that much in my hair, and it sometimes smells not all that great. And then I'm going to let it sit for about 20 seconds, 20 to 30 seconds, and then we're going to start to mix it up. And this is where it gets a really, really pasty type of feel. And this was also too thick for me, so I had to add a little bit more oil and a little bit more clay, and then I got it to where I liked. I'm starting off on dry hair because I don't feel like getting in the shower and wetting my whole body. So I'm gonna wash my hair after I do this, or I'm probably gonna do more of like a co-wash, so like a condition with a little bit of shampoo in it. Whatever I feel like doing, honestly. Dish is what I'm working with right now. I've been neglecting her. To begin, I'm starting by parting my hair down the center. I wanted a crisp part in the front, which I was actually surprised that I did. And then the back, I really don't care how it looks because I was going to style it afterwards, but I knew I wanted a middle part. And then from that first half, I split it into another half, and then I go section by section. And each section has about 3 twists in it, and then I braid those twists up to make a braid, which you'll see. First, I spritz my hair, get it damp but not soaking wet, and then I finger detangle a little bit and add the clay. And I spray and spritz and add clay as needed. I focus on my ends first and work my way to the top. Again, finger detangling is a must as you go, so that when you get out and when you're in the shower rinsing it out, it's so easy. And then after I finish putting it all in, I just twist it up. And here's just a recap. I go through this side pretty fast. It only took a short amount of time. After I finish a section, I massage the clay into my scalp. Really not the clay into my scalp, I really just massage my scalp. trying to break it up and get the oils in and all of that jazz. So I finished with the first side, as you can see, and it only took me about 10 to 12 minutes to do because that's how long the video was, so a little less than that probably. I'm gonna go to the other side. It didn't take that long specifically because it's like not really that tangled. It's just been in a puff, but it hasn't been like in a knotted puff or anything like that, or like in a bun. That's a knotted puff is not a thing. Okay y'all, I'm back. I finished this side. Again, didn't take me that long. I'm gonna let myself sit for a little bit, and then I'm going to go get in the shower. Say hi, Terrence. That's his way of saying hi. Hey, you there. Have you counted how many plants are in my video yet? Leave a comment.
Until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby,
Okay y'all, I'm not done, doing this, like rinsing out my hair obviously, but there's too much water scattering everywhere and I'm not trying to have a puddle of water on my ground, so it's not all the way out, but this is the definition of my curls while I'm under the water right now, okay? Look at it, and it just popping, okay? Hit it. Oh. It probably went dark, but that's okay. Ooh, yeah, it did. Okay. Anyways, you get my point. This is what this looks like right now. Okay. I really wanted you to see what my hair looks like while it was wet under here. So you can see the definition. Hopefully you can hear me. Okay. Okay, that's the end of that fiasco. That took a lot out of me, honestly. I wish you guys could have seen the background and what that actually looked like, but I'm glad it's over. With that being said, this is the end result of my, deep conditioning for today. I still have to style my hair. I only deep condition, so I only did that today. I didn't shampoo my hair because honestly it feels so lovely right now, and I know that if I shampooed it, it would just strip all of what I just did away. So I'm not, and I'm just gonna use a styling cream, probably like a shea butter mixture or something, and call it a day. Do a twist out or a braid out, and yeah, call it a day. But this is the hair results. This is my first video in a long time, and I'm so excited to get back onto YouTube. It was so fun. So yeah, I'm Whitney and I live at home with my beautiful plants, and they're my friends. I have real friends too, just so you know. Thank you for watching, and if you liked it, you can always press that subscribe button, and also if you want to play the game and guess how many plants I have, you can leave a comment below and I'll tell you if you are right or wrong. Obviously it should be pretty easy, but I mean whatever. But if you saw one of their names on their name tag, which is like right here, then you can guess a name, and I'll let you know if you got it right or wrong. Thanks for enjoying my video, and I will see you in the next one.